Brian from Performance, and me told Wellness, we realized that we had a lot in common. And when we put our two worlds together, we create a much better result. So, training along Brian and I decided I wanted to be an American Gladiator. Now, because I'm not very gladiator-like, as I appear, and Brian's always into my health and fitness goals, he actually decides to bring out some pieces of equipment that he had been building in his garage to give me that competitive edge. So we start training with these pieces of equipment, and one day I'm training with a piece and I say, Brian, this thing really works. We need to market this. And there Ensure Fitness was born.